ANISH NAGASAI SRIPATHI and this attempt is to solve the most number of cubes while spinning on the Smartwheel. So you can see all my cubes over here. Let's just give it a small quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 cubes are there. So without any waiting, let's go. You can see that I have completed each and every cube over here in 19 minutes, 28 seconds, 65 milliseconds. Thank you.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.